Hey there, Joel here and welcome to my channel Math World. Today we're going to solve trigonometric identities where we are supposed to prove that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. And with regards to this, I have already posted a video yesterday which gave you 7 tips to solve trigonometric identities like a pro. If you have not watched that video, I will link the video in the description box. Go ahead and watch that. Unless and until you watch that video, this will become slightly difficult for you to understand. So go ahead, watch that video and come back to this. Alright, so the first question is sec A plus tan A in a bracket multiplied by 1 minus sine A is equal to cos A. So whenever you start proving these identities, first thing I want you to do is write down that side whichever you chose to solve again. So here I'm choosing my left hand side because in again yesterday's video the first step was choose the side which you want to solve. So I'm choosing the complicated side. Alright, so next thing I will do is from here, if I look, I have sec A, tan A and sine A. Alright, but in the right hand side what I need to get is cos. So a better way to solve this would be changing this sec A and writing in terms of sine and cos, changing this tan and writing in terms of sine and cos. So when I do that, what I will get is sec A will become 1 upon cos A because sec A reciprocal or inverse function is 1 upon cos A plus tan A can be written, please ignore that sound, tan A can be written as sine A upon cos A. The rest is written as it is. Now if you look over here, this step that I have done is step or tip number 5 of the previous video where I spoke about changing the sec or any other function in sine and cos. Okay, so after you have done that, if you see I have a denominator cos A and there's cos A over here, that means I have same denominator. If I have a same denominator, I can write it together. Okay, so I've written it once and these two fractions are reduced into a one fraction. So 1 plus sine A upon cos A, because the denominators are same. If they are different, then I'll follow a little different step. I'll explain to you whenever we come across those kind of questions. So here it is cos A. Since it is the same thing, I will write it once. This side is kept as it is, this part. Okay, now if you look over here, I have 1 plus sine A and I have 1 minus sine A. This is something similar, right? This is related to your algebraic identities where it says A plus B, A minus B, and the answer would be A square minus B square. So here my A is nothing but 1. So square of 1 will be again 1. So I have not put a square over here. Minus B square. So sine A and sine A square is sine square A. Alright. And cos A is written as it is. Now 1 minus sine square A. If you look at the video again, tip number 3 was using the Pythagorean identities. The first Pythagorean identity that you have studied or even you have proved it is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now here this 1 minus sine square A, so if I take this sine square on the other side, okay, if I take the sine square on the other side, what will happen is it will get 1 minus sine square, which is equal to cos square A or cos square theta. So I can change this 1 minus sine square A as cos square A upon this cos A as it is. So here in the numerator, I hope you can see that one second here. Okay, so 1 minus sine square A is written as cos square A from this identity. Okay, and cos square A is nothing but cos A into cos A. So this cos A and this square will get cancelled, and what I will get is cos A, which is equal to my right hand side, which I was asked to prove over here. And that is it. You're done with the entire trigonometric identity proving question. And I hope you have understood this entire video. If you did, then please hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And before I wind up this video, I want you to watch this video again and practice this identity proving without looking at the video. So just write the question and remember, try to recollect and try solving it by yourself. Okay, that's how you will learn, because one of the tip in the video was practice, and you have to practice it so that you are able to solve these problems. So go ahead and try this problem. Take care and bye bye. Stay blessed.